What's up, guys? Welcome to Advanced Steel Tips and Tricks playlist. So in this playlist, I'm going to be giving you the tips and the tricks that will help you improve your efficiency, productivity, and design accuracy in all your projects. Doesn't matter whether you are a beginner or you are a professional user, there is something for you to learn, and it's better to learn on each and every day. Okay, so tip number one that we're going to do today is how to add material to your library. How to add material to your library. For example, if you've seen people that have done shoots that have got liners, right? In most cases, the liners that they use, they are hard-wearing liner plates, right? So that is from VRN to Hardox, any hard-wearing material. You will not find that material in your advanced tool library, so you have to add the material. So if you check on my right of the screen, I've pulled out the Max Tool datasheet. All right, so we want to add VRN 500. So there's some steel properties that you need to know in order to complete this task. Okay, so what do we do first? Let's just model some plates, just one or two plates. Okay, just model one or two plates. And then if you check under material, thickness, any, you can put any. Material, if you click that arrow and you go to all, you type V. As you can see, we don't have VRN 500. We've got VRN 400. This is what I was using for a project that I did, so it's saved. So we want VRN 500. And as you can see, we do not have VRN 500. So what do we do? All right. Always, guys, remember to add your coating, whether it's painted or none, it's fine. And then the naming, this is a plate. I'll also show you how to add model roll on the library as well. So that, for example, if you're using liners and you want to have a model roll that says liners, you will find it here. So for now, we don't have the model roll liners, so we're just going to use plate. Okay, let's just copy these. Just make a couple of copies. Okay, that's fine. So how do we add our material? We go to home, and home we go to management tool. Okay, under management tool, we need to go to object property editor. And remember, guys, we want to add material, so we go to subheading material, click the drop down arrow, click any of these, just any. Okay, because we want the option to say new. Right, once you have clicked that option, everything, all the boxes are empty. We start to fill up our information. So the name is going to be VRN 500, and then the group which this is going to belong, you've got steel, concrete, timber, and others, is going to belong to steel, and the density is going to be 7850, and then the name that will appear on the drawing is going to be VRN 500. Okay, so now we need the yield strength. The yield strength, we pick it up from our Max Steel datasheet. So we go to VRN 500, and our yield strength is 1100. Okay, so that's 1100, and then our tensile strength, that's 1600. It's 1600. Okay, so our elasticity module, we don't need this. After that, we apply, and when you apply, make sure you apply and close this. After you have applied your material, next to management tool, you go to update defaults, so that it can update all the material changes that you've made to the library, or additions that you've made to the library. So click update. I prefer also to save the model. After that, select your plate, right click, go to select similar, so that we can select everything. Then right click again, go to advanced properties, then go to material. Under material, click the arrow, go to all, type V. As you can see, now we've got VRN 500 in our library. That's how you add VRN 500 on our library. Okay, from there now, let's just do numbering. Let's do some numbering. Number that, apply, okay. All right, so our numbering has been done. Let's produce the material list. we go to UK material list. Okay, so it's running the material list in the background. As you can see now, we've got material grade VRN 500. So this is what we wanted. You produce the drawing. On the drawing is going to give you, and the material is going to say VRN 500. As you can see, the weight is there, the length is there, everything has been sorted. So guys, this is how you add your material to your library. Take care.